My name is Chris Savage. This is my 17th year as a director of bands at Jasper County High School. About my 4th or 5th year here, we were able to purchase new uniforms that we currently are wearing. This is the 12th year in those uniforms. We've actually taken care of ours very well, yet they are still showing their signs of age, falling apart, getting faded, just dingy, stains. They take a lot of beating during the marching season. We are also at the point where our band has grown so much that we don't have all the uniforms to support the size band we have now. Our band has grown significantly since then. We store our uniforms here in the band room. That way we can take as good of care as is possible for them.
Some of our shakos are starting to completely fall apart. And the other shakos, the chain has come off.
The new uniforms would pair great with a brand new stadium out there. Home games, instead of having to drive across town to the old Rose Bowl, we could just walk across the parking lot to a brand new shiny stadium.
Almost a year now, really, we've been working with uniform companies designing a new uniform. We have our final design picked out right now for what we're going to do, and now of course we're just waiting on the funding.
It's about $450 for each one uniform, and the band would need to compensate for the amount that we're growing and potentially purchase 100 or so uniforms to help with different sizes, short and tall.